Thanks so much for being with us this noon hour. Sadly, another person to report in our area has died from COVID-19. Milwaukee County Medical Examiner's office says the 57-year-old Sheila Stanton from West Allis passed away. And that now puts Wisconsin's coronavirus death toll at 8 people, 655 confirmed cases, 343 of those in Milwaukee County. Sheila Stanton spent a week in the hospital before she passed. Our Ben Jordan reports from West Allis with what we know about this woman's illness.
The medical examiner's office says Sheila Stanton developed a fever and a cough, and 1 week ago she was admitted to the hospital and diagnosed with coronavirus. The ME says Stanton saw a caregiver in the community earlier, but she did not improve. Authorities say Stanton was on a ventilator after developing acute respiratory distress syndrome known as ARDS. That causes fluid to leak into the lungs, making breathing difficult to impossible. Coronavirus also caused her to suffer from kidney failure. Her family told the ME that she was married, and throughout her time at Freighter, she was not allowed to have any visitors. Stanton's daughter told authorities that her mother traveled to Texas and Arkansas a few weeks ago, but she was not aware of coming into contact with anyone ill. The medical examiner's office says this woman had serious pre-existing health conditions. Reporting in West Allis, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
All right, Ben, as we mentioned, 7 other people in Wisconsin have died from coronavirus. 5 of those are in Milwaukee County, including 60-year-old Ralph Davis, 54-year-old Roderick Crape, a former Milwaukee Police Lieutenant Leonard Wells, and 66-year-old Lawrence Riley. We also know one of the victims was a woman in her 70s from Dane County and a man in his 50s from Fond du Lac County. Also, across the U.S., there are nearly 70,000 confirmed cases and more than 1,000 deaths. Important to note, more than 100,000 people worldwide have contracted the virus and since recovered.